Hi guys, welcome to the crystal opening, and we are going to open the special crystals, Guardians of the Galaxy crystal, and each crystal guarantees a 2-star guardian with a rare chance at 3 and 4-star guarantee. I think that we will get 3 or 4, and lesser Sora crystal chance to acquire Exibu. First, let's open this lesser Sora crystal. Grand opening. Yeah, I should win. Should we win? Stop. Groot. What? Yes. Yes, guys, we got 4-star Gamora. Where is the collector? Oh, see that? You saw that? I got a 4-star. I got a 4-star. I got a 4-star. 4 star. Yes. I'm so happy that I got a 4-star hero. Okay, let's open some crystals. Arena crystal. I need 45 units. What the? This is also not going down. We got a 4-star Gamora. Yeah, 15 units. Yes, 85 units in total. Just a 15 more. We could buy a premium hero crystal. Last Alliance crystal. And there are many high chances to get unstoppable call as a 4-star. I need as well known. Actually, I got that in the event. Not event means time event. One day that Guardian's hero used. I have 4-star heroes. Need Gamora is a 4. Gamora is just a little. I could upgrade it more than Yellow Jacket. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'm so happy that I got a Gamora 4-star. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.